Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to buy Kishu Inu token on OKEX exchange. And also guys, I will leave the link for OKEX in the description below for you to sign up if you didn't do this already. So in order to buy this Kishu Inu token, you will need to have USDT coins here on OKEX. So you can either deposit it by clicking here on deposit crypto, and you basically select the USDT and send USDT coins here to this OKEX address of USDT. Or you can also buy crypto. So basically you click on buy crypto and you buy USDT from, for example, euros or USD. And after, you will have USDT Tether tokens coins here on your basically assets. So you after that gonna click on trade and basic trading. And after that, as you can see, I already searched for that. So it's Kishu USDT, but basically you click on this arrow and you're gonna search for Kishu, and as you can see it's Kishu USDT. You click on that, and after that you're gonna see this chart, and here on the left you will see buy. So basically you enter the amount of Kishu you want to buy and you click on buy Kishu, and it will appear on your assets, on your wallet here on OKEX. And basically that's it guys. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel, and take care. Bye.